Greetings, Pokemon Nation! Pokemaniac Ben here. Today, I'm going to teach you a little bit on how to make money off your Pokemon cards. First things first, always do your research. Whether you're doing selling or marketing or whatever. Personally, I like to go with a website called Price Charting. They have prices for both graded and ungraded cards. Probably wondering something.
Mr. Maniac, how do I find a card on the website? This Pokemon has like 80 versions of it. I can't find it.
Yes, you can, Billy Bob Thornton. Just look at the bits at the bottom of the right of the card. Like these digits right here. Right here. 6383. Yeah, once you find those digits, look up the name of the card, which should be here. Then look up those 4 digits, or however many digits are on the bottom right of the card. And bam! You should find the exact card and what series it's from on PriceCharting.com. Maybe you just don't have faith in the cards. Always have faith in the cards. If they're older and not being made anymore, then they're probably worth at least something. Just look it up. Do your research. Also, something I should mention. Holos aren't the only cards worth anything. As long as it's a rare or an old card, it's worth at least some. To check the rarity of a card, look at the bottom right, next to the digits, right here. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, right there. You see the diamond? That is an uncommon card. So if you see a circle, it's a common. If you see a diamond, it's an uncommon. And if you see a star, then it's rare. Looking at a card to determine its value, first look at the ungraded price. Ungraded means no professional has graded these cards. Now, you could go out of your way to get them graded, to get more value out of your cards. Or just do what I do and eyeball the price. Almost like a gauge. I'm going to cut to an example right here with Imakuni. Alright, so if we look it up here at the search engine, Imakuni card prices. You can look here at the Pokemon Generations one. Okay. Oh shit, it went up in price, 321. Huh. So, if I were to make a price for the one I have, I'd probably just give it a straight out 3, because it was bent a little bit. It's 21 cents off a little bit, but it's, yeah, that's how I do it. I just sort of use this price and this price as a gauge to sort of, and if it's, if I think it's lower than ungraded, like, not lower than ungraded, but like, just sort of not in the best condition, I'd probably do a lower price than the ungraded price. This works, especially if your card is in actual good quality. They're worth more than you think. Just don't sell cards that are overly busted. Alright, Poké Nation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly card hunts and more. And if you do have time, check out the Facebook Marketplace. If you want to look at some cards yourself. You know what I mean? And do click the links below. There are a few links. One's for price charting, just so you know what's worth what. And yeah, there's also a Google Doc with more information on how to sell cards. I'm your host, Pokemaniac Ben. you have an epic day.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending.